Okay, here's I'm going to put on the side exhaust pipe here today. Here it is, and when it's on, it's going to go like this and come out there, right out the side, like it's supposed to. I've already taken this bolt out here, which will be for the support here. If you look in here, I've loosened these already to take this off, because where this mark is where I'm going to cut it. And when I cut it, I can slide this end over it and out here. And I've already loosened up in there also, because I'm going to replace that little hanger, that hanger there. So it's not that big a job, you can see. The pipe was just too long there. It's been, kind of funky. But of course, I don't think it ran in about 20 years, so what is the difference? Anyway, next will be all back together, I hope.